Hi guys, my name is Julie and today I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite amenity spaces of the townhomes at Bridlestone, which is our clubhouse. Our clubhouse is a great place to come to just hang out with your family and your friends or other residents. We have lots of resident events here, and it's also a great place to get your workout in, your morning coffee, and if you ever need to print anything, we've got you covered. Let's go ahead and take a look before we head over to our featured floor plan. Now that we've checked out the clubhouse space here at the townhomes at Bridlestone, let's go ahead and head over to our Redwood floor plan. The Redwood we're taking a look at today is fully furnished, so you'll get an idea of what your stuff will look like in the space. And it's 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and is 1,675 square feet and has a single car garage. Let's go ahead and take a look.